Traders, Anthony here. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to run through these alerts as they come in, and we're going to have a look at the opportunities and see what kind of win rate we're getting. In fact, what we'll do is we'll just open the lower time frame chart here. We're trading into the London Open, so this is the opportunity we're looking for. Okay, as we head into this zone and through to the Asia close, and you'll see the blue shaded zone. All right, now we had a pound Swissy, might have been a little bit earlier, further down perhaps, but this is a red signal, and here are the things to run with. Everything stacks up. Red signal, higher time frame indicators are showing red. We've got this yellow daily line here, so that's strong resistance. We take it. Now we can trade it on the 5 minute. It'll be a tight stop and tight profit TP, but it's relevant, or I should say the volatility is relevant to the time frame. Short position, go in at around the same level as the dot. Stop loss above the yellow daily line here, and 1-to-1 TP. And here's the thing, if you keep your risk consistent, in other words, every trade you enter, you risk, for example, 0.2%. And let's say that equates to $50 on your account. In this trading session, you're going to risk $50. You're going to go in at 0.2%. And no matter what you're trading, it doesn't matter what currency pair you're trading, and it doesn't matter what the range is with your stop loss, the risk is consistent. It's the same. So if that's your stop here, well, you're going to risk your $50 or 0.2%. If this is your stop here and you're going in at 0.2%, it's the same. So this is a really, really important point that a lot of new traders fail to understand or to implement into their trading strategy. So this is the key to success. Now, here's the thing. Let's just say you've got 6 or 7 of these running. You can manage your risk really well, knowing that in this case it's 0.2%, say roughly $50 risk. If you achieve an 80% win rate, well, you know you're going to lose, out of 10, you'll lose 2 of them at $50, and you'll gain 8 at $50. If that makes any sense. So keeping this risk consistent is the key. And then you can allow, say, 2% maximum exposure, 2% of your account. So then divide that by 0.2 and it gives you 10 trades at 0.2, right? So you know that you can take up to 10 trades at 0.2%, and that's your maximum account exposure at any time. I hope this makes sense. It's a really, really important point. So let's just get on with this. So we're going to run through these dots, or these alerts. Here we go, CAD Swiss. Well, that's the one we're looking at, so that would have been a nice outcome. And I mean, here's the thing too. If that's your TP here, close 70%, pull your stop loss down so that it's profitable if this pulls back. And then you just trail the rest. Follow it with your stop loss, and that could turn out to be quite an interesting outcome. If this goes on a bit of a tear, for example, I don't know, I mean, some of these runs, if you got in down here, well, you wouldn't because it's bearish. Let's say you got in up here, you just continue it down until you get a break of the trend, break of structure, and that's a very nice outcome. So let's just click through and we'll just see what the success rate is with these. Are we going to take this trade? Well, it's predominantly bearish, so we might see a red dot. I would be inclined to sell this Euro CAD, and we'll see if we get a red dot. I like this trading up. See it's red here, and I like it trading up into the London Open. And what you can do with this is you can set up a limit and get it ready, but you need to manage this well. So let's just do this. Grab a short position. Let's just say you're going to enter here. Set up your stop loss, set up your TP, work it out. Well, there's a red dot. Now what we need to do is wait to see if this sticks. And I'm going to set up a limit, sell at 1-to-1 risk reward. And the next candle will determine whether this red dot sticks, but I like what I'm seeing here. So let's just say run with that to start with. Right, so you can see here you've got the levels. So if you're trading this in TradingView, you can set it up with this, and you use these levels then to enter the your position, right? So here it is. Well, entry is 47,390. So it's going to be a limit. 47,390. You're going to go in at 0.2% risk. Sorry, not stop loss. This is your entry, and stop loss is 147,479. So that's fine. Just throw that in there. That's 8.9 pips. Target 8.9 pips. All right, there we go. Sell. All right, that's a limit order, and then we can sit and watch this now. Get rid of that, and we can move this around. I'll just take this out of the way, and let's just see if we get our dot. In fact, you know why I really like this? Have a look at this. There is, here, you can see an orange line. That is a weekly, previous weekly level weekly, right here. Let's see how we go with this. And then we've got this yellow line forming here. That's a daily. So this is how you set up your trade, right? Now, have a look down here. See this is the average true range. That's the average true range. We've got 0.336. We'll call it 34. Okay, 340, 34. So let's just measure what 34 looks like on here. Grab that. 34. We're looking for 000. See up the top there? Okay, so see it's 50, 48. So see 00040. That's 1 times the average true range. That is the average true range. So I might go 2 times the average true range. Let's just see what that looks like. Okay, so it's relative to the, see, I've got 77, 79, 80. That's 2 times the average true range. 1 to 1. Let's just move this out of the way for a second. Just want to see if we get a red dot here. You know, because I quite like this price movement trading up into the London Open. It's looking for liquidity. See how it's cracked this weekly level here? It's taken out buy-side liquidity here. We've got 3 out of 4 of these higher time frames showing red. We've got an entry here. Our red dot fired, next candle painted. The red dot is still there. We've got this daily and weekly level. So it's traded through. I'm going to stretch that out slightly, place it above this daily. In fact, I might even take it a little higher in case it reaches for that. And we've got 118.81. So I'm just going to go for a 1 to 1. That's 1 to 1 risk reward there. Set and forget, or you can come in and if you're trading MT4, you can open 3 positions or 2 positions, have 2/3 of it close here and then leave 1 to run. And then we can trail it with our stop loss. So we've got some other signals. Let's have a look at them. Euro dollar. Okay, that's red. There's a red dot. Let's just see if that sticks. I quite like this. So again, you know, you just come in, short position. Something like that would be okay. I'm going to set up a sell on the next candle. So let's just wait and see what we get. If that's the case, stop loss is going to be 0.9513, something like that. And what I really like about this, see how far out this is extended from the mean here on this time frame? This is quite a nice setup. I'm inclined to take this 0.9513, go market, 0.2%. It's going to be a market sell. 9513 is your stop loss. Stop loss, so 513, and go in. All right, now TP will be 1 to 1 risk reward, 66.5. There it is in dollar value, and we have set and forget. Just have a look and see what we've got left. Do we have any? No, we've got a yellow dotted line up here. I might just stretch this out a little bit and just go above these red dots here. See, back in here, just go slightly above that. So I'm going to go 82.46 in dollar value. There it is, set and forget. Yeah, guys, that's it. That's trading into the London Open. We have these opportunities. I know it's paper trading, but you know, you could do quite well with this. Let's have a look at that euro dollar. Yeah, now depending on the size of your account and what you're willing to risk here, it's quite a pleasant way to spend some time in the evening. Just have a quick look at some of these other opportunities. Oh, look at this, the NAS. Oh my goodness. Sell, I can't resist. Okay, let's do it. Sell market. All right, you got to click on that. Okay, 0.2% risk and then sell market. There we are. So what I've done here is I've placed my stop loss. See this little yellow line starting to form? That's a previous daily high or low. All right, so we mark that up, and I'm going to place my stop loss slightly above it, and we've got 27.30 in dollar value, so I'll just go the same here, 27.30 or 27.20, that'll do. TP down here, set and forget. Okay, so we've got everything going for us here, like it's meeting our criteria. The red dot, we're trading within this range. We've got the majority of these red. It's trading into this red shaded zone, 5-minute chart. Okay, it's extended out from the mean, and we want to see it trade back into the mean, so it makes sense. I tighten that up slightly, just take it to the top of these this green zone here, and that's all there is to it. You know, we just grab these opportunities. This one's a little bit mixed, but I mean, I do like the fact that it's traded up with this very extensive move. Gee, euro yen, I don't mind that, although the higher time frames are showing bullish. You know what? Yeah, you see how it's bullish here? Now the green dot would have been a great buy opportunity. Pound yen, it's bullish. The opportunity would have been down in here. Pound dollar, bearish. Okay, look, here's an opportunity. I like it. Sell. Okay, so it meets the criteria. Look, we've got a downtrend on the higher time frame. Okay, so let's open this up and sell. Trading up into the London Open, I like that. We'll go with that. Sell. We'll go market sell. Stop loss, I'll go, 26,965. Okay, 26,965. 0.2 risk. Okay, sell. There's another one. See these red dots back in here? Might just pop that above slightly. Where's my TP? Okay. Just find my TP and bring it back. That's a bit wild. Oh, okay, so what we've got here, have a look at this. See this little yellow line here that's just starting to form? That's a daily, right? So you want to actually go above that with your stop loss level daily. Yeah, slightly above, that will do. And then I'm going to go, we've got 11.4, and then we'll go 11 pips, roughly 1-to-1. Close enough. Yeah, I'm okay with that. We'll just let that play out now. That's it. So, just going with our set of rules here. And this is why it's so important to keep your risk consistent. So, if you've got 8 or 10 trades running and you know that the dollar value will be similar. I think I've messed up my position size with some of these, but they vary a little bit here. I might have done something, but just for the sake of this video and to show you how this works, a couple of running in profit. This is what we do. Quickly run through. What do they look like? Oh, look at this. Don't you love it? Sell Euro Swissy. Look at these opportunities. This is just amazing. I'm going to go market sell. I like it. Risk is going to be 0.2% of my account. Stop loss I'm going to set up around about here, so 95,982. 82, that'll do for now. So we've got 4.5, 4.5, so it's roughly 1-to-1. Away we go. And just have a look left, see what we've got. Yeah, I'm okay with this. See, look, have a look at this. See these lines? We've got the mean. Yeah, I'm going for short and sweet. 3-minute chart. Here's the mean. Look how far extended this is. Traded down into the London Open, then we get this crazy move. Bearish, red dot, overextended. I like it. Stop loss is probably fairly wide. We might not need to go that far, but and the other thing too, if you want to, if you're not sure about your stop loss, here's the thing. You got a couple of things here to help you. You got the width of this cloud here to here. Okay, so the width of the cloud prior to the signal. You can go with that. You've got the average true range down here saying 167. Let's just call it 16 and 16 are 32. Say 35. So we're going to go 00035 and just see what that looks like. 2 times the ATR. All right, so your stop loss is one thing you can do is that. So that could be your stop loss. Spot on. Or you measure 2 times the ATR. What did we say? Well, it's nearly 1.7, so we'll just call it 34. So let's just grab a short position here. And what does 34 look like? Have a look at up the top, up in here. See this? 0.003 Look at that. So 34, that's 2 times the average true range there. 17, 217 to 34. Well, you know, you've got the option. I'm probably inclined to run with the width of this cloud more than anything, and I'm happy with that. So just have a quick look, see how things are shaping up. Set and forget, let them run. All right, I'll leave it at that. That's enough. I mean, we've got all these other opportunities as well, and we'll just let these run, and I'll come back and we'll have a look at the results just from this session. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 today, 6, 7, 8 trades. So we'll see what kind of a win rate we get. I took an overnight break and I'm just coming back into the charts. We're going to have a look at the results from yesterday's trading. So if I open up paper trading with no open positions and the history, as you can see, not bad. Now we've got a Euro Swissy loss, so let's have a look and see what happened there. Okay, Euro Swiss. Yeah, I mean it was heading in the right direction. Pullback might have been the thing that caught us out. Okay, so possibly our stop was a little tight. Yeah, this was the alert right here. More than happy to call that one a losing trade. The opportunity did come through this zone. This is the New York Open here. Look at that. Very nice outcome. In any case, I think you get the picture. That was just trading through the London Open. You had 7 out of 8 winning trades. So if you like what you see here, jump on board. Share the journey with us. Gain access to the indicators. Head over to my website. There's information here and on the store link. Invest $19.95 a month. Shut me a coffee every month. I'll let you do the math. And if you want to try it out for 1 month, that's the option there. And then I think lifetime membership would be a bargain. So yeah, with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.